guys, how's it going? It's a beautiful day here in Eastern Oregon. It's already 58 degrees, slightly overcast. It's been raining all morning, which we don't get very often, so it's like super refreshing and it makes me want to get out here and work even more because everything looks so fresh and pretty. The colors are intensified and it's supposed to get kind of breezy this afternoon, so I'm hoping to get a couple of chores done outside before that starts. Let me turn the camera around and kind of show you what else we've got going on today. So see that great big box? Aaron ordered us a new grill, finally. So I think his brother Tim is coming over and they're gonna put that together later. That's like a big deal around here. We grill a lot and we just recently had to throw our old one away, which was given to us, it was free. We threw it away because it finally broke. So we got a new one and we can finally start grilling again. What I want to do today is I've got a couple of boxwood cones that I want to put in pots up in the front of our house, and I want to plant a lilac, which I have in the greenhouse, and that's where I'm heading right now so I can show you. And it's super pretty and it's smelling up the whole greenhouse because it's in full bloom. Can you already see it? Look at this gorgeous thing, you guys. This is called Centara Double Bloom Blue. Double Blue. If you look at the blooms, each individual bloom is a double. I've never seen that on a lilac before. Super gorgeous. This one is going to be available next year, so I'm getting to try it out this year, which is awesome. Getting it in the ground, see how it does here. Lilacs typically do really, really well for us here in Eastern Oregon. A couple of other really fun things that I have here in the greenhouse are some all gold Hakonakloa Japanese forest grass. I love, love, love the brightness of this grass and how it's just so delicate in the garden. And then also next to it is the Primo Black Pearl Heuchera, which we've done several videos on or with last year and probably the year before. But look at the color, like the colors together, so pretty. And then to go with those two, I've got some Artemisia Silver Bullet. All of these are perennial. I think all of them would look really, really great together. The Artemisia says full sun. I tried it in a part sun area last year and it did really well. So I'm hoping I can get away with putting it in a part sun area with these other two things. And one more thing, just in case we don't get to getting a individual video done with this one before it's done blooming, I wanted you to see this double take peach quince. It's in a kind of smaller container here. Look at the blooms on it. They look almost like camellia-esque, which we cannot grow here, so I'm super excited to have this one. That is my color. Oh, I wanted to show you our Halloween container from last year. So last year I was super pregnant-ish. By Halloween I felt super pregnant. And so I didn't really get to a whole lot of cleaning out of containers and things, so we just kind of packed them up and brought them into the greenhouse. Look at this one. Look at the kale. So I put the lacinato kale in there and it's totally blooming out, looking really pretty and shrouding the great big gnarly stick that I had in there. Then we've got the pansies. There's the wild rose, Primo Wild Rose Heuchera right there. Toffee Twist Carex. But everything wintered over beautifully in here. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with all of these things. Probably take them out individually and plant them somewhere else. So now I'm gonna go grab our lawn tractor so I can wheel it around and pick up all the plants I need. I actually kind of commandeered Aaron's trailer that goes on the lawn tractor. It's so nice because it helps me haul things around without having to pick everything up and haul it by hand. And it's kind of starting, the breeze is already picking up. So if the audio is crappy, I'm really sorry. So this is what we've got in it right now. I've got it set up to where I can completely plant and irrigate, like set up irrigation for everything that I put in the ground. I've got our blower here because I always make a mess. These are all my irrigation supplies, so landscape staples. This bucket is full of like flex tube. I don't know if you can see in there very well, kind of dark. Flex tube. This bag is full of fittings and things for drip tubing. Then I've got my roll of drip tube, my Felco pruners, my kneeling pad. I've got a metal rake, couple different sizes of shovel. There's my hedge trimmers right there I use to cut back perennials and things. And my starter fertilizer. So, and a bunch of junk too. like just a bunch of stuff that just accumulates at the bottom. So it's really nice because I can wheel this out, I can roll over to the greenhouse, put the plants I want in here, and then just go to the area I need to plant, and I've got everything in one spot. So I'm actually trying to talk Aaron into buying a second one of these so that I don't have to take any of this stuff out when we do any wood hauling or, you know, hauling soil or mulch or things like that. Starting to pick up now. You can see that we're right in front of the house. Turn the camera around. This is the bed where I'm putting the lilac. You can see I just went through and ran new drip line. I'm going to be taking all of these violas out. That's why I haven't covered the drip with any mulch or compost or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is find a location. I think I'm going to put the lilac about right here. So right in this space right here, so I might have to shift that tubing over a little bit. Let me place it and we'll see what it looks like. Looking a little ominous over there, but this is gorgeous. I think it's going to be the perfect location for it. Let me show you really quick what I just did to this container. I forgot that I wanted to run drip up through the bottom of each container this year, if at all possible. I wasn't going to clean all the soil out because I did put fresh stuff in last fall. So it really didn't, all those plants didn't really use all those nutrients through the winter time, so I thought I could get away with it. But I went ahead and dumped the soil out in the flower bed and kind of scattered it around. And then I fed some drip tube up through the drain hole so that I can put emitters on it. I got my hand all messy. Put emitters on it, and then this will be hooked into our drip system so I don't have to haul water up here. Because I've got drip tubing really close by. There's a piece of drip tubing actually that runs up to this David Austin rose that I just planted. This is a generous gardener right here. And same thing goes on this side. I've got drip that runs to this rose so I can just tap in, run it underneath the fence, underneath the pot, and then up into it so you don't see the tubing very much. It'll just run on the ground just a brief distance. Now I've got to make a mad dash for the house. Got all my tools under cover, so that's good. Oh my goodness. Kind of just want to stand out in it. Soak it in while I can. Oh, he's asleep.
No, he's not. He's awake.
Oh, really?
He just tanked 4 ounces like a boss.
Oh, let me get this. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Are you having fun with your daddy? I get to watch you now. For a little while. Hi, baby. You are so cute.
He's being so good.
You being a good boy?
Yep.
Look at you guys. This is what our house is now. We are those people. We are those people, Aaron.
We are.
Are you just happy about life? Are you happy about life, buddy? Yeah, I love you, baby. I love you. So Aaron's brother Tim came over to help set up the grill. So they've got it all out in the living room. Looks great so far. Hey, are you laughing over here? Are you keeping me company in here? Because you're the cutest. Yeah. Hi. Do you love to bounce? Yeah. Got lunch all prepared. Look at that yummy fruit salad. scrambled eggs, toast, coffee, and my cute baby. Lunch is ready. Okay, so I am gonna try to get these cone boxwoods planted. It is super windy outside now, so I'm not gonna even attempt to talk at the camera while I'm out there because I know the sound will be horrible. So I'll set the camera up so you can see what I'm doing, and then I will explain everything after I'm done. Well, that was intense. My goodness, it's just getting worse out there, and it looks like there's another storm coming, so I'm just gonna finish up, call it a day. I'm going to repot the arborvitaes and the vinca and stuff that I got out of the front pots and just water it in and leave it here in the greenhouse for now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.